Hello everyone, welcome back again to another cooking video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I cook my beans. Keep watching guys, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not. So here are my ingredients. I have here my brown beans, red palm oil, crayfish, and some salt, 1 tomato paste, 1 mackerel fish, scotch bonnet, Maggi seasoning, 1 large onions, and some fresh garlic. So guys, let's get started. So here is my boiling water. I'm going to be adding my beans to it. I will allow it to parboil for some minutes. Then I'm going to wash the beans. So my beans have parboiled for 10 minutes now. I'm going to wash it. So here is my already washed beans. I added a little bit of water. So now I'm going to add some onions. For now I'm going to be adding only onions. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook. So before my beans will be cooking, I'll start blending the onions, scotch bonnet, and crayfish. So I just added them into my blender. I'm going to be adding my tomato paste because I want to blend everything together. Then I will add a little bit of water so that it will be easy for me to blend. I'm going to cover it and start blending. So you can blend it to how you want it. Some blend it to be very smooth, while some blend it average smooth. As for me, I want it to be very smooth. So guys, here is my heated vegetable oil. I will start by frying my mackerel fish. So here is my heated pan. I'm going to be adding my red palm oil. So I will not allow the oil to bleach. Just allow it to melt for 2 minutes. Then we'll start by frying the onions. Fry the onions for 3 seconds. Then I will pour my blended tomatoes, scotch bonnet, onions, and garlic. I'm just going to stir it. So now I'm going to be adding the rest ingredients. So I'm going to be adding the Maggi seasoning, some salt. Yeah, I'm adding a little bit more salt because I didn't add salt to the beans. So I just added a little bit of water. I'm going to add my mackerel fish. Going to cover it, then allow it to steam a little bit. So here it is. Going to stir. Now I will taste it to see if all the ingredients is okay. It's okay guys, so I'm going to cover it, allow it to steam also for 2 minutes. So here is my already cooked beans. I'm going to be pouring the stew into the beans. Pour everything. Stir it a little bit. Make sure that the stew and the beans is well mixed together. Cover it, then allow it to steam. So here is my beans. So you can see the beans is ready. Yeah, it's ready. So I'm just going to off my gas now. So guys, here is my beans. So I'm going to be devouring those beans with my gari all the way from Africa. Thank you guys for staying with me on this one. I will see you again on my next video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.